So guys, welcome to another episode. My name is Grace Carey Mission. Thank you always for being here, and if this is your first time here, consider subscribing. Talk live from the village. Actually today I am at the village, exploring the village. Always hope you enjoyed the video. And we are going, I'm from somewhere, and I've seen like I should be seen today with you, sharing this video here. Hope you enjoyed the video. Continue watching until the end, and if you haven't subscribed, please go do it. We are doing amazing videos from here at the village, and God bless you guys. So this is it. Actually, I'm coming from over there, and usually from over there just it's like when you are going to town, guys, and I'm just going home because I had like a walk to pick something so that we can move together, guys. So guys, welcome again to another episode. Actually we are at the village, and today I have this. We are going to do something here special, soup. As soup, as you know that soup is health, so today I'm trying to do this here so that we move together. Actually hope you follow the process and enjoy the video. Yeah, this one here. So I have to peel it first. Yeah, maybe to cut it first. So from here, guys, we have to peel it. We have to peel it, and then we shall see what we do. And I have to do like this, maybe. Like this. Drop a comment what you think about this video here. Actually, I am trying to make something that I have never done even a single day. So today that's what I'm trying. Hope you enjoyed the video. Comment and and let's move together. So guys, I have started about finished peeling, and this is the peel that's here. And also this one here, the seeds we dry them, and then we shall plant them in at the garden maybe. So I have to cut into small pieces, like those small pieces. So I have to put them inside so that we start boiling it. Don't close the heat. So that's how much water I put, and then you put it here to boil. So guys, after that I love to cover it. I love to cover it so that we wait for some until it is ready. I don't know how much it is going to get ready, like 30 minutes it's going to be ready. And then we continue preparing the other ingredients. Like I have hoho, and I have red onion here, and a bullet chili. So I have to prepare it, guys, as we continue with the other stuff here. So drop a comment what you think about this video here. Actually, I am at the village, my village home, and this is where I usually cook from, guys. Yeah. So I have to cut the red onions slices like this one here. Very good. Yeah, like this one here. That is the much I want. So again, I have to cut the hoho small slices like this one here. The hoho. This is much I want, and I don't know whether I'm gonna put the whole of it, because it's gonna be a waste if I don't use the whole of it. It's gonna be a waste. Yeah, that is it. So drop a comment what you think about this video here. Actually, this is a new recipe. Actually, only like 3 ingredients and everything is ready. Like 2 to 3 ingredients, guys. So guys, I love to add the hoho. I love to add the hoho inside. To add the hoho inside like this. Also some salt. Some salt, and then I love to stir. It's the stirring. I love to cover it so that we're gonna wait for like 30 minutes and it will be ready. Here I have this is the lemon leaves, and usually lemon leaves they smell. Also, when you have a flu, you can put it inside your nose, maybe. And but still I'm going to use it somewhere like the leaves, like 4 leaves, and then we put it inside the soup. We put it inside the soup like this, and then we stir like this here. I think it is almost ready, guys. And then we cover it for like now 10 minutes, and it's going to be ready, guys. So leave a comment what you think about this video here. Talking live from the village, always cooking with the smoke and fire. So guys, it is ready. So we have to serve like this. Is the soup here. So after that, I like to put onions on top like this. Also, I have groundnuts here, so I love to add the groundnuts, guys, like this. This is a special soup, guys. I don't know what you think about this video here. It is very much amazing, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Actually, if you can watch from here, it is very much amazing. So I don't know how you do it outside there, but this is my style here, guys. This is it. So guys, I love to test it. Let us pray. Father, in the name of Jesus, we thank you for the love and the support that you will give us every day. May you bless this meal in the mighty name of Jesus. I pray and believe. Amen. Boom, boom, boom. Lovely. Support me, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I may end up this video here. God bless you, and let's meet in another video. Thank you so much. Ciao, ciao, bye bye. I love you all.